with the East Coast Xterra Challenge coming up next week out at AOAA here in PA, we're going to be bringing this Xterra with us to show off the new front and engine transmission skid plates that we have available. I guess I should say we're about to have available for the first gen Xterra and Frontier. So we really haven't had a chance to do much with this vehicle yet, and we have some big plans for it, but just have not had the time to do what we want. Anyhow, we are building this vehicle as a tribute to our friend Chris Oakley, who had passed away from COVID back in January 2022. And he had a bright yellow Xterra like this, and he called it Pikachu. And we're kind of he'd wanted us to repair his, but we never really had the chance to do it. Anyhow, we're building this one and using parts from his old one, which unfortunately there's not going to be a whole lot we can use because it's in really bad shape. But we'll be using a lot of the same parts that he used, and one of the things that's going to go away are these windows right here. But in the meantime, we have some cool stickers to go on here to let everybody know roughly what we're doing. And when the time comes those windows get replaced, we're going to have some black stickers made for a different location. Anyhow, I'm going to get these decals on the window, and let's see how it turns out. This graphic is about 9.5 inches tall, so I found the center, and then I went off of the center of the window obviously, and then I went off the center 4 1/4 in each direction, so that I have the graphic pretty well centered. Hopefully it looks good centered. And I did not remember to measure the width of this puppy. So from tip of the tail to tip of the ear, well, that's also about 9.5 inches. It's close, not exact, but about 9.5 inches. Alright, so there's the center. So we're going to go, well, I said 9.5, we're going to go 4 1/4 to here and right there. Alright. Let's see if I can make this work. I've already cleaned the window really good. It was pretty dirty. It's been sitting outside for a while. So let's see. So it might be a little tough to do with the paper on here. Yep, well, if you let it get crooked. Alright, how about I put the tape on the graphic first? That sounds like a great idea. I'll just do this. Put the tape on the graphic. Now let's get the graphic located. Alright, bottom of the foot is about there. And edge of the graphic. Oh, I went too far. It's about right. And how's that look if I stand back? Well, that's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Alright, let's fold this down. Get the backing material off of here. Oops. Nope, can't have that. There we go. Center of the P almost got lost. All right. I should have grabbed myself something to smooth this out with. That might have been smart. And you know what? I better. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I have a little squeegee. Not exactly designed for this, but it'll work. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. Let's see how this turned out. And there you have it. Special thanks to our friend Dana Ruski for creating this. Let me get you up close so you can see it.